Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Adi here. So today we are going to look into the top small cap funds currently so we can invest in that funds. So let's check it out. What are the small cap funds we can invest currently? Okay, so the first one is your Quant Small Cap Fund. So the AMC is Quant Money Manager Limited. So AUM is around 2000 crore. So which is at a bit lower side, but still it's a growing fund. So you can see the expense ratio is 0.62%, which is also okay. And if you see the annualized return for last 3 years, it's giving around 50.8%. So which is very much high, and last 1 year it's around 3%, which is still okay. I mean, seeing the current market situation. So investment you can start with the SIP 1000 and lump sum you can start with 5000. So after the analysis from my side, I will give it 5.7 out of 10. The second fund we will see obviously the Axis Small Cap Fund. So it's under Axis AMC. So it's a huge fund. So AUM you can see around 10,000 crore. Expense ratio is bit low, 0.49% comparing to the Quant Small Cap Fund. Exit load is same, it's 1% within if you redeem it within 1 year. So if you see the annualized return, it's very good because last year it's giving around 32%, and last 1 year it's giving around 15%, which is very good. Investment you can start with 500 SIP and lump sum is 5000. So I'll give it 5.5 out of 10. Next you can see the Kotak Small Cap Fund. So the AMC is Kotak Mahindra AMC. So it's also a big AUM. So you can see it's 7,700 crore around. So expense ratio is okay also, 0.59%. Exit load is same, 1% within 1 year. So if you see the annualized return, it's also last 3 years it's giving around 38%. So last 1 year also 9%, which is good. Investment you can start with 1000 SIP and lump sum is 5000. So I'll give it 5.2 out of 10. So let's go to the next one. Next one is your Aerobic Small Cap Fund. It's managed by Aerobic AMC. So AUM is also good, 3000 crore, and you can see the expense ratio is at a lower side. So and the exit load is same for all funds. So if you see the return, it's around 42.1% annualized return for 3 years, which is good. And last 1 year it's giving around 24% 1%. So that is also good. So you can start the investment in SIP and lump sum. 1000 you can start with SIP and lump sum you can start with 5000. So I will give it a bit low rating, 4.8 out of 10. So it's a good fund to invest also. The last one we'll discuss about is SBI Small Cap Fund. So it's SBI Funds Management Private Limited. It's a big AUM under this fund. So you can see around 13,000 crore, but the expense ratio is a higher side. So that is the one issue. That's why I give it lower rating, because the AUM is too high and the expense ratio is also at the higher side. But if you see the return, it's good, 33% for last 3 years, and for last 1 year it's giving around 18.5%, so which is good. So investment you can start with SIP with 500 rupees, but for lump sum I think there is some restriction. It's restricted by AMC, so you can start with the 500 SIP. So I hope you are now clear what are the small cap funds are now available in the market, to best time to invest now. So this is for my analysis, so you can do your own analysis before investing in any of the fund. So I hope this video is useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you everyone.